determinants. Actually, puro lang naman to guys, parang integers lang siya. So, marunong ka mag-integers, madali lang to. Determinants of 2 by 2 matrix. So, pag 2 by 2, 2 yung rows, 2 yung column, then, kung natin determinants. So, actually, may formula to guys. Like, kung meron tayong 2 by 2 na A, B, C, D, para makuha natin yung determinant, ang gagawin natin is, magko-cross multiply lang. So, A times D, then minus natin yung B tsaka C. So, ganun lang. So, mentally, kaya natin gawin yun. So, gawin natin, number 1. So, let's say meron tayong matrix na 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4. So, ano yung magiging determinants natin? Tingnan mo. So, 3 times 4, then minus yung 2 times 1 or yung 1 times 2 natin. 2 times 1. So, basically, yung 3 times 4 natin magiging 12, minus yung 2 times 1 magiging 2. Then yung 12 minus 2 magiging 10. Next, number 2. So, let's say, meron naman tayong 5, 2, 3, 1. So, mental na lang natin to guys. Hindi ko na isolve yung ganito. Kumbaga, sagot na lang siguro. Gawin lang naman yung process pag 2 by 2. So, meron tayong 5 times 1, which is 5. Then, minus yung 3 times 2 or 2 times 3, which is 6. And 5 minus 6 is negative 1. That's correct. Number 3. So, let's say meron naman tayong 4, 6, 2, 3. So, 4 times 3, which is 12. Then, minus 6 times 2, which is 12 then. So, magiging 0. Number 4. Let's say meron tayong 10, 5, 2, 1. Parang ganun pa rin. Hindi, madali lang eh. Ano lang natin guys para maintindihan. So, 10 times 1 magiging 10. Then, 5 times 2 magiging 10 din. Then, 0 ulit. Number 5. Malay mo, mag-solve tayo ng Joke. So, meron tayong negative 2, 4, 1, 3. So, ano magiging determinants? Negative 2 times 3, that is negative 6. Then, minus yung 1 times 4, which is 4. Then, yung negative 6 minus 4, magiging negative 10. So, integers lang yan, guys. And naturo na natin yan eh. Siyempre. Then, number 6. Let's say meron tayong 0, 5. Then, 0, 10. So, meron tayong 0 times 10, which is 0. Minus 5 times 0 is 0. Which is 0 lang. Ano pa? Number 7. Dagan natin. Anong mga numbers ilalagay natin? Ako na lang. Yung ina-astro. Ito. So, meron tayong negative 3 times negative 8. That is positive 24. Then, 6 times 4 is 24. Oh, hindi ko alam yun ah. 0 ulit. Oh, next, number 8. Let's say meron tayong mahirapan ko ngayon guys. Negative 7. Report minute. So, meron tayong negative 7. Hindi ako nag-mute guys ha. Yung moderator. Report na lang natin yan mamaya. So, negative 7 times negative 4. So, magiging positive 28. Then, minus yung negative 5 times negative 6, which is negative 30. So, yung 28 minus 30 guys is negative 2.